Have you ever wanted to paint watercolor flowers but felt overwhelmed or scared to start? Maybe you watched tutorials, bought supplies, and still felt stuck. Today, I want to show you how I paint two very simple flowers using guided practice sheets I created especially for beginners, even if you never touched watercolors before. I know that fear very well. The fear of wasting paper, the fear of doing it wrong. That's why I believe beginners don't need more techniques. They need clarity, structure, and kindness while they practice. These practice sheets remove the guessing so you can simply focus on the brushstrokes and enjoy the process. As you can see, this first flower is very simple. I'm going slow, paying attention to pressure, and letting the shape build naturally. There is no rush here. This is how confidence starts. One calm stroke at a time. This second flower adds just a tiny bit more movement, but it's still very beginner friendly. If you follow the practice page and repeat the strokes, your hand begins to relax and painting starts to feel easier. By the way, I'll be sending these two exact practice sheets to everyone on my newsletter before my short Instagram live on January 24th. If you'd like to paint these flowers together with me live, make sure you are subscribed so you can download the pages ahead of time. I'll announce the live time in my Instagram stories, so stay tuned. This is for you if you are a beginner, if you want something calming, or if you simply want to reconnect with your creativity. All the details are below. And if this video helped you feel a little more confident, you are exactly where you need to be. Until next time, keep playing.